Oh, wait. Say it again. Say quarter.
Uh-oh.
Jamison, can you say money? Can you say money? Say money. I know, I see. Can you say money?
Should we go put it in your piggy bank, Sailor? Let's go.
Jamison, say money.
Say money.
Uh-oh. Can you get it in there? Good job, bud. Uh-oh. You're going to be rich. Is that it? Hope you got one more. Good job, buddy. Oh, all gone. Money. Don't break it. Shirt? No, who's on your shirt? Jayhawk.